Welcome to R-Link. My name is Abigail, and in this video, you'll learn everything you need to know to get started with R-Link. We'll cover how to invite a co-host or guest to join your meeting, some basic settings, how to start and stop recording and streaming, and how to preload content like slides and videos to share. And you'll also learn how you can use R-Link for both small and large meetings and webinars. First, to enter your R-Link room, open up your favorite browser on PC, Mac, or mobile and type meet r-link.com/your room name. You'll be taken to a welcome page like this one. If you're a guest, just type in your name and click continue. To host your own R-Link meeting, click the orange button that says host and speakers, login in. Type in your email address and your password, and then hit join. Now you'll have a chance to connect using your computer speakers and microphone or to dial in by phone. If you click Connect by Computer, you'll be asked to check your microphone, speakers, and camera. Don't skip this step. Make sure that everything is working. When you're ready, select the option to join with video or without and enter your meeting room. Don't worry, though, you can always turn your camera and mic on or off in the meeting room later. Okay, now you're in your meeting room. Across the top, you'll see the toolbar, and on the left, you'll see a main menu. Open the menu to get access to your account settings. The first thing you might want to do is invite people to your room. So that's the top menu item. Click on the main menu, open up Invite People, and you'll get this pop-up to show you all the different ways you can invite people to your room. The easiest way is, of course, sharing your R-Link web address or URL. This is also where you can get the link to invite a co-host or co-presenter to your R-Link events. You can also update your room settings here. Room settings include branding, like your welcome message, wallpaper, and security pin. Webinar settings are available for R-Link Ultimate subscribers. They give you greater control over attendees, with options to mute guests, disable screen sharing, raise hands, and more. If you want to add members of your team as additional permanent hosts or admins, you can do that in Room Permissions. All you need is their email address, and you can update these room permissions anytime as your organization grows. Now, let's talk about how to actually host a meeting. If you want to record your meeting, just click Start Recording on this top toolbar. On mobile devices, you'll find this in the meeting menu. Enter your recording name and select Gallery View or Active Speaker, then start the recording. If you want to stream out to Facebook or YouTube or any other social media platform, click on the Stream Manager to add your social media profiles. The number of simultaneous live streams you can have at any given time depends on your subscription level. In the middle of the toolbar are your device and view options. You can turn on or turn off your microphone, or your camera, or your speakers with one click. You can also raise your hands, or you can change your view and turn on live captions or live translations. All the way to the right are your meeting controls. If you open up your Attendee tab, you'll see a couple of buttons across the top. The first option lets you mute or unmute all of the guests in your room. The second option lets you control whether guests have the ability to mute or unmute themselves. And finally, on the right, you can choose to show or hide muted attendees. This comes in handy in large meetings or presentations and lets you hide muted attendees to keep the focus on speakers who are actively talking or sharing. The waiting room option lets you manage who can enter your room. Turning on the waiting room gives you the chance to compare your notes and agenda with fellow hosts before letting in your guests. You can also open up chat. Here you'll have options for public, private, or host-only chat. And of course, R-Link lets you share your screen or your desktop. And then we get to the best feature of R-Link, the widgets. Widgets let you create and upload presentation materials to the cloud to use on any device. You can create a folder and then upload slides and videos and presentation materials to share with your guests. You can also create your own widgets, pop-ups, presentation notes, and more. Widgets let you store all the visual aids and resources that you might want to use in an R-Link meeting, and they're available to all paid R-Link subscribers. Now you're ready to host your first Arlink meeting. If you need help or you encounter technical issues, you can click the Report Problem button here on the top toolbar. Here you can submit an anonymous report or email the team at support@r-link.com. We want you to know that we are always here for you. Thank you so much for choosing Arlink.